Hello guys, and welcome to my first tutorial on this channel. Today I will show you how to set up a 1.4.2 craft bucket server for your computer. So to start out, you need this craft bucket 1.4.2 jar. Okay, so go into your web browser, go down in my description below and hit the bucket server link. Go down up to this arrow right here and download the beta build for 1.4.2. But guys, now remember, this is beta build, it's not the recommended build. The recommended build is not out yet. I will have an updated video as soon as it's out. Okay, but this is the beta build. It works, I've tested it, but there are some bugs with plugins and stuff, and the server's bugging sometimes. You know, it's okay. Just try it out. If it's too laggy for you, wait for the recommended build. Okay, well, now once you have the craft bucket, drag it into a new folder that you will make. That's called 1.4.2 or whatever you want to call it. Okay, you need this source code as well. Yeah, this code right here. This code will be in my description below. So just make a new notepad document. We'll just show you right now. New text document, call it run. Paste this in. File, save as. Hit this little file down, little extension thing down here, and all files. You're gonna get rid of the txt and call it BAT or CMD. I'm using CMD because my BAT extension is destroyed. I don't know, something has fucked it up. So I'm using CMD. Hit yes. So we got that out here. It already existed. That was the, yeah. Drag that in. Now once you have the both, double click the craft bucket. It will work for a little while, so just be patient. Like now, you think it's done, but it isn't. Now I think it's done. I hope it's done now. Okay, so now once it's finished, drop down to the server.properties. Right click and open with WordPad, Notepad, or whatever. Generator settings, that's something new in the 1.4. I don't really know what it is. I will check into that later. You can allow Nether, the level name world. I will just have it as world for now. You can call it Minecraft, yeah, Dystopia, whatever. The query, I don't really know what it is. Sorry, I will check into that too. I want this to be true, allow flight, so I can fly around my server with the flying mod. The server ports, do not touch it. It has to be 25565 or else it won't work. Level type, defaults, high hills, I guess, super flat. Enable rconf, you know, this one I'll just keep it as default. I've always had it as default. The rcon is a password thing, I think. I don't really know. I never got it to work, so I have it to false. The level seed, really simple. Just random numbers. Type in some random numbers. You don't even need minus, negative before, but I'm having it. Okay, to find the server IP, hit the Windows key on R and type in CMD. Enter. in the batch window, type in ipconfig. Now go all the way to the top to the wireless LAN adapter and IPv4 address 10.0.168. That's mine. You have a different one. So just, yeah, do as I did there. Right click, mark it and click enter to copy it. So server IP, Control V to paste it in. Max build. I like to have something to build with. So 500. Spawn NPCs, yes, no whitelist. Spawn animals, snooper. True, hardcore. You know what hardcore is. If you don't know what snooper is, I think that it is, if your server crash, I think that the Minecraft folks can collect that crash report and see if they can do something to fix the problem in another update. I think that's what it is. Okay, the PvP that means player versus player. So if you have this default, no player can harm another player, which doesn't make any sense, so I have to true. Difficulty 0 is easy, 1 is medium, and 2 is hard. It's no peaceful here. If you want peaceful, no monsters, you have to take spawn monsters false. Okay, game mode 0 is regular survival, and game mode 1 is creative. The view distance 10 is max, I think. Yeah, I tried 11 once and my server didn't want to load. The MOTD is what's under the server name, so I'm gonna have it bukkit 1.4.2. Yay. Control save to save it and click out of it. We don't need that anymore. So now let's run our CMD or BAT. There, now it's done. Once you see this info done, it's done. Okay, so now we should try, up here in the plugins. If you come back in a couple of days, I will have a plugin tutorial ready, and I will make it pretty long because I will test a lot of plugins and I will test a lot of commands with those plugins. I will also have a command tutorial up for the regular bukkit commands. So stay tuned and please subscribe. So now let's jump into Minecraft. Log in. Sorry guys, it seems like my recording software didn't want to record the Minecraft game itself. So I have switched to Fraps now and I hope it will work now. So hit the multiplayer, add server, and choose the name yourself, bukkit 1.4.2. Yeah, and Control V for copying the IP address that we did. So done, and here we got it. I made another one since my recording software didn't want to record it. Oh, spawning in nighttime, that never happened before. Well, yeah, it works. Works fine. So, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any problems, I would be glad to help. Just comment or send me a message. Anything, I will be glad to help you out. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. I will have a video on how to do this with Hamachi very soon. I will have a video with plugins, with commands on the bukkit server. So please stay tuned, subscribe, like, and favorite. You know, that will help me out a lot. Sharing your videos, that will help me out a lot, and that's my only reward for the time and effort that I put into my videos. So thank you, and peace out.